I'm shining like a new guy. Downtown trains of gold. Oh, girl, he tries so hard to break out of that little world. You change your hand,
Bruce Springsteen.
Huh? You have nothing that'll ever capture your.
Written by Tom Waits.
Tom Waits?
Rod
This is Downtown Train. I was just talking about that.
Oh, be careful and live in the dark. You told me you're the one.
I like what he's doing with it. As they say. Does it all.
So romantic.
Patty Smythe does.
I know you're I know your stairs and your doorway. I walk down the street.
Yeah, maybe you'll play this one. It's over, you make it.
Stand by the light at the point. You watch them.
I never saw this one before.
They stay there at the but they'll never win you back. Will I see you tonight on the downtown train? Every night,
I said, I'm gonna be on Thomas the Train. You're gonna be on a downtown train. Tommy the Train.
Oh my God.
Thomas
You
the
must have little ones around.
No, my girlfriend has a 3-year-old and he's into Thomas the Train. That's why I was thinking of that.
Thanks.
That's why I was thinking of that.